What's up, YouTube? I'm making an updated bike check. Pretty much the whole bike is brand new except the cranks, which I will hopefully get soon. But yeah, it's start from the front and go to the back. ODI long neck grips in pink. Black Shadow Conspiracy metal bar ends. Primo Tall Boy white bars. 8.25 rise and 28 width. Premium 9 stem with pink hollow stem bolts. Odyssey CS2 race fork in white. Odyssey hazard light in mint green, laced with black alloy nipples to white Primo spokes, and the Primo N4FL hub with flangeless hub guards. Animal peg. I snapped my old frame, my stock United frame, and Dancecom sent me United Beacon, which is the Corey Martinez signature frame. I got the stock cranks from my old bike. I got a stolen stolen bottom bracket. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I also got a Odyssey headset. I got an animal seat from my old bike. I got pink Odyssey twisted PC pedals. On the other side, same crank arm, I got the pink Odyssey twisted PC. I got a Kink Sound 25 tooth sprocket. And I got the white Shadow Conspiracy interlock 2 chain. In the back, I got Odyssey hazard light in mint green with black alloy nipples, laced with white Primo spokes to the Primo Mix cassette. I got the Night hub guard made especially for the Primo Mix, and I got the animal peg in the back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think I missed anything. Oh, and I got GLH tires, front and back, 8.25. No, sorry, 2.10. Because they didn't have 2.25, but I wanted that for the front, whatever. And this frame is 20.8. But yeah, it's a good frame, I like it. I can't wait to ride it Sunday because I'm going to Incline Club in New Jersey. And yeah, and also it has a built-in pivotal post like my old bike, but here they put a little line if you want to cut it and rock your own seat post, which is, I find, pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And Odyssey, stem cap. And that's pretty much it. Rate, comment, tell me what you think about my new bike. And subscribe, more edits to come soon. Thanks guys, peace.